Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Side Hustle Crafter. In this video, I will show you how to cover a piece of styrofoam to make this giant lollipop cookie. So to make this fake cookie, we will start with air dry foam clay. So just choose your color and roll out your air dry foam clay pretty thick. Once you have that rolled out, grab your round styrofoam and some school glue, and you're going to add that glue to the top and sides of your styrofoam. Here I'm just smoothing out the glue on the tops and sides of the styrofoam, and once that's done, you're going to place that glue side down on top of your clay. Cut off your excess clay, and then you're going to start folding up the sides onto the styrofoam. Fold and press until you have it nice and smooth, and then you'll go in and cut a little bit more of that extra clay off as well. Then start to roll out another piece of clay so you can cover the remaining styrofoam. And just repeat your steps with the glue and removing the excess clay, and then fold and press. Here I'm just cutting a slice right through the clay and the styrofoam, and that way I can put a big popsicle stick right in the bottom of the styrofoam to hold it and make it a lollipop. The next few steps are optional. I'm taking some green clay and I'm going to roll that out pretty long, and I'll make a swirl on top of the tangerine clay. And I want that swirl to be pretty flat, so I'm going to take my rolling pin and roll it down and make it nice and smooth. At this point, you've covered your styrofoam and you've made yourself a giant cookie lollipop. And so from here on, you can do whatever you want for decorations. If you want to stick around, I've just added some glitter and some handmade decorations that I made off camera and just added them to the cookie.